The United Kingdom is taking a major step forward in its naval defense capabilities with the announcement that the Type 83 destroyer program has officially entered the concept phase. This new class of warship will not only replace the aging Type 45 destroyers but also play a pivotal role in the broader Future Air Dominance System (FADS), shaping the UK's maritime strategy for the decades to come. The Type 83 will be a significant upgrade over the Type 45, with a focus on countering modern and emerging threats, including hypersonic missiles. The UK Ministry of Defence's confirmation of the program marks a clear direction for the Royal Navy's next-generation air defense capabilities, which are set to evolve in response to an increasingly complex and fast-paced global threat environment. Designed to succeed the Type 45 class destroyers, which have been the Royal Navy's backbone for air defense, the Type 83 will offer advanced capabilities that go beyond simple replacement. While still in the early stages, the new destroyer promises a larger, more robust platform with significant improvements in both air and missile defense. It will be able to counter highly advanced and sophisticated threats, including hypersonic missile systems, which are becoming a more pressing concern for modern militaries worldwide. The first step in bringing the Type 83 to life is already underway, with defense officials actively gathering industry insights on the ship's design and capabilities. A market engagement event, ME, was held in December 2024, where stakeholders from the defense industry provided feedback on the project's potential technological needs. This interaction is critical to shaping the ship's final design, ensuring it is equipped to handle the evolving security landscape. Though much of the Type 83 specifics remain under wraps, early indications suggest a vessel that will push the boundaries of modern naval design. A concept image leaked in 2023 hints at a ship larger than its predecessor, potentially matching the size of the U.S. Navy's Zumwalt class or China's Type 055 destroyers. One of the key features of the Type 83 will be its next-generation radar and sensor systems, which will likely include advanced phased-array radars capable of detecting and engaging hypersonic threats. This technological leap will be vital as the global military environment sees the rapid rise of advanced missile technologies. Moreover, the Type 83 is expected to include a highly capable integrated air and missile defense (IAMD) system. This system will not only protect the ship from ballistic missile threats but also play an essential role in defending critical assets in the maritime, land, and air domains. The ship's vertical launch system (VLS) will support a range of missiles including air defense, anti-ship, and land attack capabilities, ensuring its role as a versatile asset in future naval operations. While the first Type 83 destroyers are projected to enter service in the latter half of the 2030s, the Royal Navy's plans remain in flux. Key decisions such as the total number of ships to be built and whether the Type 83 will fully replace the 6 Type 45 vessels currently in service will be made during the ongoing Strategic Defense Review. This review will ultimately shape the UK's long-term naval strategy and provide clarity on the Royal Navy's requirements. The program's next phase will focus on selecting industrial partners and further refining operational requirements before the main procurement contract is awarded. Once completed, the Type 83 will not only provide the Royal Navy with an advanced air and missile defense capability but also ensure that the UK remains a leading maritime power well into the second half of the 21st century. With its innovative design and enhanced capabilities, the Type 83 is set to become a cornerstone of the UK's naval defense strategy in the face of increasingly complex global security threats.